Now, how can you do transitions on an iPhone? Let's explain that. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important, right? So the transitions are like the process of switching from one image or video to another, right? So there are like different ways or different things you might mean, right? A lot of times people use the video editing software like iMovie or CapCut, and in there, it's completely possible to click on the button in between the clips, right, and change the transition. It's the same thing for CapCut as well as for iMovie, but we have like more options available in the CapCut applications, right? So that's like the a thing that you might mean. Outside of that, a lot of people mean the general UI, like the iOS transitions, right? Like switching in between the iPhone scenes and like menus and everything, right? And this can be changed in the settings app by going to the accessibility section and then go to the motion, and you can enable the toggle to reduce motion, which can technically like turn off some of the transitions. Like when you return back to the home screen, you can see that there isn't like any animation in between, right? So it can at least make it feel like it's a bit faster. I don't personally like it that much, but the option is most definitely there, so you can play with it, right? So these are the two things which crossed my mind. So I hopefully managed to answer your question. But if I didn't mention something or I didn't really, talk about the thing, your problem, let me know about that below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.